What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now this was live streamed a couple of months ago, but anyways, I hope you still enjoy the reviews of the portfolios and stay tuned for the next live stream. So make sure to turn on that bell so you don't miss any other live streams, and I'll try to do more of them. See you guys in the next one. Okay, we already got submissions. We'll start with the first one, Shishu. Let's check it out. About me, we have some information. A creative graphic designer with talent for developing unique custom artwork. Innovative approach to ID and concept. This is fun. This is nice. I would just put that here. Oh, you also put that here. Okay, yeah, nice. We have anime headers. Okay. Very bright, very eye-catching. Nice. These new ones are really nice. Love these new ones. Kitsu of ADJ911. Cool logo, by the way. Like with the cat. Really cool. Real nice. Headers. Let's see what he makes. Of course, this one is very okay. This is a really nice style. Yes, I love this. This is cool. See where you get this one from. I would just remove the bottom ones and then keep the top ones, or maybe remove this one as well. I call it like anime headers, and then put this one in a different one, because this is also really awesome, by the way, but I would just put it in a different category. This guy is absolute fire. So I don't know. Yeah. Let me get some inspiration for my own work, you know. Like this is nice. Like 3D text is on point, and the backgrounds as well. Like goddamn, this is really nice. This is cool with the road and the bird. Very power. This is also really nice. They're all nice. Come on, yeah, anime headers. Just check that out. Ooh, this new one is really nice. All of the 2D text, something different from the 3D text. This is just really nice. This one is with these colors pop out. Very nice. This style is really nice, by the way. Just the focus on the right, a little bit of text on the left. This is that. Yeah, really love this style. With simple text on the left and a really cool text on the right. Of course, Danny boy. Anime headers. I've seen a lot of your anime headers. I like a lot of them on Twitter as well. Like the style that you went for is really cool with the 3D text and the bright backgrounds. Big fan of this one. Yeah. This one, big fan, of course, because I worked on it as well. But yeah, I would say keep like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 first of them, and remove the bottom. Maybe this one is nah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 of them. Remove the other ones. They're not really in the same style. And I've seen some of your more recent work. I would say update it a bit. You know, put your recent ones in it as well, because the new ones are really great as well. Okay, you have Seraph. Okay, this style is really clean. Not gonna lie, love the text. 2 text on top of each other. Always a big fan of that. And this, yeah, this is cool. The text, I'm a big fan of the text. But yeah, the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one are really nice. Okay, they're all nice. Never mind. Maybe the last one. Nah, they're all nice. What am I saying? No, they're really great. Don't have anything to say. I mean, media header. Let's check that out. Okay, first one, really nice. Bright colors. Don't know about the rectangle behind the logo. Maybe like more a drop shadow. I don't know. Still looks good though. Looks good. Colors very vibrant. Looks good. This one is really nice. Bottom one is also really nice. They're all really nice. And this one is also really cool text. The text is on point. Oh, I've seen this recently on my timeline. I think it's a bit too vibrant, but what's wrong with the face? The face looks a bit weird. The combination of black, white, and red is like always nice in my opinion. This is really nice. Love the text. This is also really nice. Like the text is like the logo. Really cool idea. The background is really well blended into each other. Big fan of this one. Only thing I would change is maybe this render. This one is really cool. Love this text. And then the main text as well. This Japanese text is also really nice. The whole overall filter on top of it looks really cool. Nova Designs, of course. Ooh, this text is really cool. With the chainsaw and everything. Yeah, really nice. another chainsaw. This is like a totally different style as that one, but also really nice. Only thing I would change is like this text. Okay, not the biggest fan of this text. I think I prefer this one and this one. I'm a big fan of this one. I cool with like the Windows background. And then this one, of course, I've seen. I used it, and I had changed back to the winner of the 1v1 challenge. Well, this one is really cool as well. Let me just zoom in that one. That's cool. Juice WRLD album with it. Yeah, this one is Juice WRLD one is really nice. Okay, headers. Let's check that out. Oh, I've seen this guy before with the really cool headers. I guess this one is new. This is cool with the Hunter x Hunter text. Love like the little effect on the back text as well. This is cool as well. Maybe not the biggest fan of his eyes popping through the text, but I understand why he did it. Kind of vibe with the background. Yeah, it's cool. Fire Force, yes sir. This is really cool. Love it. Love the text. Maybe a bit more, maybe a bit better quality, and then bada bing bada boom. Yeah. And then the last one. I would just again split them up. People type in anime headers if they want anime headers, and headers if they want, or social media headers if they just want a specific header. They just do it. They don't type in headers. And merch, I have to get more into merch as well. What I would do is like with the same design, just more mock-ups in the same square. I think that would be really nice. Like maybe some people wearing it, like on a different shirt or something like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I see you guys probably in the next video. Peace.